I'm excited. Hey, what's up? This is Rob with Plant-Based Pepper, and today is the day we are going to harvest our onions, our carrots, and our potatoes. We planted these back in February, and it's been exactly 4 months. We planted 10 potatoes in this bed right here, and all we did was go buy organic red potatoes from the store and planted them, and this is what happened. We did not have to go with seed potatoes, so just make sure they're organic so they'll grow. Turning brown, dying, so these things are ready. So we're excited about this. It's the first time we grew potatoes, so can't wait to see how many we got out of 10. Alright, so here's the original potatoes. We got one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 over there. So we planted 10. Here are the stalks. We're going to start by pulling those out, and then we're just going to dig by hand since this is sawdust and sand, and it'll be easy to find the potatoes that way. Alright. Pull the stalk up. And look at these potatoes. Two.
Pull up. Stop.
Yeah, oops. Plant a 10. Yep, use the wham. Oh, look at that one. I guess we planted 2 different varieties. We must have planted brown potatoes over there and then red on the right side.
Of course we did.
I forgot. Like digging for gold. Another big one. Here. I damaged it, so I'm gonna have this. Yep. Wow. Oh yeah, they're all over here. They came over on this side of the bed too.
Good then, we got them all.
So now we have to add them up together and see how many pounds and how many potatoes we have. So we're going to do that real quick. We just harvested 32 pounds, 8.6 ounces of potatoes. There are 89 potatoes total, and we planted 10. We planted 5 red potatoes and 5, what are these called, russet potatoes? And we ended up with 89 potatoes from 10 potatoes. 32 pounds, 8.6 ounces. That's pretty good. Our first time ever planting potatoes. It was very easy. We just went to the store, bought organic potatoes, and came home and just stuck them in the ground.
Must be organic.
So I just looked up online how to cure these. We're gonna go lay them out on a table in a dark place for about 10 days, let them dry out, and then we'll go through and make sure we check them, inspect all of them. Like for example this one, it's damaged in any way, we'll use those right away. Otherwise we will store them in our pantry and see how long they last. All right, and these little baby ones we're going to give the chickens right now. Give them a treat. Just so you know, the potato leaves are not good for chickens, they're toxic, but the potatoes are. So let's throw these in here. Here you go. Come on, stay in. Oh yeah, and the carrot tops too are good for them. And we're just giving them a handful now because we used to throw 3, and I guess that's too much. They're only supposed to have about 10 mealworms per day each. If they have too much, it's not good for their liver. All right. See you later. All right, so this is our setup for curing these potatoes, and it might be too small. I might have to bring another table in here and set it in the center, but it has to be a cool, dark place, and this is dark most of the time. We always have the lights off in here. I also put a black tablecloth here to block some more light. We'll leave that shut, and this has airflow underneath, but we also put some paper